What's up, Bubsters? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we begin this video, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can keep updated whenever I post new content. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram at mynameisbubs_ to keep updated with my stories and upcoming posts. Alright guys, for this video, we are going to discuss about skincare. I've been getting messages from a lot of my friends and from a lot of my followers on Instagram. Bubs, I'm really new to skincare. I don't know what to do. I've been breaking out. I don't know how to protect my skin. Can you give me tips or advice? Don't worry guys, this video is for you. So we are going to discuss on how you can start with your skincare regimen. So the first step of skincare, it's always cleansing. So if you're a beginner with skincare or it's your first time, I recommend using the Celeteque Hydration Facial Wash. This mild facial wash is infused with vitamin E and C that gently burst to help nourish and protect the skin. It removes dirt and oil from your pores to help reveal your face's natural and youthful glow. It's nice because it feels soft and glowy and you feel so hydrated afterwards. It can also be used for all skin types, so this is a good one if you're a first timer. If you have oily or combination skin type, I highly suggest use this Cetaphil Pro Oil Control Foam Wash. It's an instant foaming face wash designed to deep clean oily skin. It is clinically proven to effectively remove pore clogging oil, impurities, and makeup from the skin that can prevent one from breaking out. This is pretty light on the skin because I have combination skin type, so I've been using this for a while now. It's really nice on the skin, it's lightweight, it's mild, so it's also good if you have sensitive skin. So the second step is toning. I suggest you use Celeteque's Hydration Alcohol-Free Toner. It removes stubborn dirt formulated with witch hazel extract to soothe the skin. It's also hypoallergenic and clinically proven safe for sensitive skin. It has mild alcohol-free formula, so it's good for first-timers. I've been using this for a while now, especially when I was starting with my skincare routine because I have combination skin type. I also have sensitive skin, so it's really nice. It does its job and it doesn't really irritate my skin. Alright guys, these are the last steps: moisturizing and SPF. These are probably the most important part when it comes to skincare. So I suggest using Cetaphil's Daily Facial Moisturizer. It's lightweight and non-greasy facial moisturizer. It leaves the skin feeling soft and hydrated. It's nice because there's no fragrance and it won't irritate your skin. It leaves a mild, soft looking skin after you use it. And it's all good for all skin types and it's super safe. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, I suggest using Cetaphil's Oil Control Facial Moisturizer. It has a higher SPF. It has SPF 30 and will do its job to protect your skin against the sun rays. Another one I can recommend you guys is the Celeteque Hydration Facial Moisturizer. It's less pricier than the Cetaphil. So if you're on a budget, this one's a really good option. What I like about this one is it has glycerin, pro-vitamin B5, and aloe vera that works deep down to provide lasting relief from skin dryness. It's really nice, especially if you have dry skin, so I highly recommend this one. Although this one doesn't have SPF, so you have to apply SPF afterwards so you can have skin protection against sun rays. Another alternative is using the aloe vera soothing gel. It's really nice on the skin. It will make your skin feel soft, glowy, and hydrated. Normally, it's used for the body when you have acne, treating wounds, burns, eczema, psoriasis, and many more. But you can also use this on your face. Alright, now with your SPF, it's really important to apply SPF so you can have protection against the sun rays. So I highly recommend using the Dermplus Moisturizing Sunscreen. It has SPF 35. It's really nice. I really like it. I use it a lot. And you can also use it for both face and body. It's water and sweat resistant and has no oxybenzone. Oxybenzone is known for its ingredient in sunscreen and other cosmetics because it absorbs UVA ultraviolet rays. Although some studies have shown that oxybenzone can cause allergies on your face, but this one doesn't have oxybenzone, so it's really good. It can still do its job to protect your skin against sun rays and UVA and UVB rays. If you don't like creams or gels, you can always use a sunscreen spray. I use this Idolo Solless by Mistine. Yeah, my friend got this for me in Thailand when she was in Thailand, and apparently it's really hyped there. A lot of celebrities and locals have been using it. I really like it because the skin absorbs it quickly, smells nice and not sticky. It's alcohol free and has SPF 50 and suitable for all skin types. Although this product is not available over the counter, but you can purchase them on Lazada or Shopee or any online resellers. Alright guys, these are my tips for you when it comes to skincare for beginners and first timers. So, always remember, cleanse, tone, moisturize, and SPF. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please let me know on the comment section below. Also, if you have skincare products that you use that you want to recommend, please put them down in the comment section as well. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, Bubsters!